Hi, welcome back. We're going to pick up right where we left off. Now we're going to create an explosion that as soon as the filled circle is at full size, we're going to have some rectangles shoot off the sides here. So we are going to right click and create a new shape layer. And I'm going to create a rectangle here. And I'm going to create another one about here. We'll rotate it in a second. And another one out to the side. Again, it's kind of like clock. It's going to look like a sun in a second here. Let me rotate all these. So you can see as I was dragging each one out, it was creating a new rectangle. So now if I click on rectangle 1, and I use my selection tool, and just click on rectangle 1, you can see it is just selecting the first rectangle I drew out. So I want each of these rectangle paths, I'm going to unlink, and I want each of these to be 5 by 50. And then I'm going to go to rectangle 2, rectangle path, unlink, 5 by 50. So I'm going to speed this up. Whew, that was hard work. Okay, so now I'm going to go through and I'm actually going to command and close all these again. It's just so when I open it back up, we just have each rectangle. All right, so I'm going to click on rectangle 1, and that's in a good position. Rectangle 2, we want to angle it a little bit. So if I hover outside and just drag it, perfect. Rectangle 3, same thing. Rectangle 4. Rectangle 5 is okay, rectangle 6, rectangle 7, and rectangle 8. Okay, kind of like the sun, yes? Okay, looks okay. So now I want to scale this whole layer. So I'm going to close up the contents and go to Transform Scale. And I'm going to drag it so all of these kind of hide behind our circle. So when I drag through, can't see them. Okay. And then I want them to explode out. So I'm going to go to frame 30. Over here, frame 30. I'm going to scale it up to 100%. All right, so now when I scrub through, if I push play, okay, it looks cool, except I can still see that while my circle is being built. So I don't want to see this layer at all until then. So I'm going to drag this purple bar up until the starting point. So that way I won't see it. Boom. Cool. Cool beans. Okay, we're going to rename this layer Explosion. And we easy ease those. And that's all we need to do for now. I'm going to go to the next tutorial. Make sure you're saved. File save. I'm going to do File, Save As. And I'm going to name this Splash Screen for Tutorial. Save it to your Google Drive so that if something were to happen, I don't have mine here, but you know, in your CCIA folder, of course. Okay, so go ahead and save that. See you soon.